Hello everyone, I was eagerly waiting to try on this product and I have finally got my hands on it. This is a skin lift device from the brand Protouch, and this is a skin lift recovery drops, basically a serum we could say. This too is a deadly combination for lifting up your skin. It targets anti-aging signs, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dull and saggy skin. Let me tell you how it works. This is a chargeable device and it comes with the charging cable as well. Make sure your product is charged before use. Long press the device and your device will be started. The same button would be used to switch on the different modes: the red light, the green light and the blue light. This device has 5 key features that help skin lifting. Number 1, the red light. The red light would be used for anti-aging, soothes your fine lines and wrinkles and enhances skin radiance. Number 2, the green light. The green light would be used to reduce the dark spots, pigmentation and dark circles. Number 3, the blue light. The blue light would be used to reduce the excessive sebum production on your skin, clean your clogged pores and reduces your acne and blackheads. Number 4, this device has a massage head, and on top of the massage head there is an induction strip that heats up. This regulated thermal heat will increase the blood flow onto your skin, which will help the oxygen to move through and hence improves the skin elasticity. Number 5, the sonic vibration. The moment this device comes in contact with your skin, it starts vibrating. This sonic vibration increases the blood circulation, enhances the penetration of your product, hence giving you maximum results, reduces puffiness and gives you deeper relaxation. Moving on towards this serum, the Skin Lift Recovery Drop. It comes with an antibacterial roller applicator. It contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, retinol, fermented tea extract, ceramides and tripeptides. All you have to do is you have to apply this serum on your neck, on your jawline, smile line, forehead and all the parts where you are targeting the fine lines and wrinkles. Once you are done applying the serum, you have to take the device and start massaging. While massaging, do consider only 2 directions. 1, you have to massage in the upward direction, and 2, the outward direction, and start massaging. I have seen visible results after using this product. You should definitely get your hands on this product. Thank you. Bye.